Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving good ranking pair problem, and it was asked in codechef starter 197. So yeah, let's read out the problem. This shares part of the initial setup with good ranking triplet. Yeah, it starts from here. There are n contestants numbered 1 to n. Your task is to make them participate in some contests and then manipulate the ranking in particular way. Yeah. In each competition, the ranking of the contestants can be considered to be permutation of integer 1 to n. Okay, so that is there are no ties. Okay, got it. It is easy. Don't worry, I'll be explaining on the board. A contest A is said to beat contestant B in a particular contest if A occurs earlier than B in the permutation that denotes the contest ranking. Okay, so basically A beats B if A occurs earlier than B. So yeah, now let's understand this. The following condition should hold for every pair A comma B, for every pair, okay, such that A comma B lies from 1 to n, because there are n contestants, and A, I mean, it is numbered from 1 2 3 4 up to till n, because it is a permutation of 1 to n, and A is not equals to B. So A comma A pair we should not take. All the different pair we should take. There exists at least one contest such that A beats B. Okay, this is a very good condition. So I'll be explaining it. Don't worry. Your task is to choose the number of rankings. Let's say m, then print m permutations. The ranking of each of the contestants. You must have at most 10 contests. So m is greater than equals to 1, less than 10. So our task is to choose basically a number of rankings in such a way that A beats B. For every pair A beats B. You'll have to find number of rankings. Okay. I mean, let's take input. The only line of input will contain a single integer n. So let's take n. In this case, we don't have any test case. Okay, so they have given example, and this example they have given you to confuse, but let me tell you, like explaining on the board. So input is 3, n is 3. So in question what they're saying is contest is there and there are n participants. In this case they have given 3. So in general the contest ranking is this, in this way, 1 2 3 till n. Obviously if there are n people, so one people uh, he'll be getting rank 1, other people will be getting rank 2, up to so on, like n people will be getting rank n. This is the case, and from this thing now you'll have to make every pair like 1 2 1 3 1 4 up to so on 1 n. This is 1 with pairing with other. Now you'll take 2 pairing with 1. 2 will not be pairing with 2, because in question they have said for every pair A comma B, A should appear before B in permutation. In if you try to arrange one more, this is the one permutation. If you swap this 2 3, it will be 3 1 3 2 4 up to so on till n. This is other permutation. So in this permutations, what they're saying is, if A is appearing like A beats B, A is appearing before B, which means let's say if you take 1 comma 2 pair, in this permutation A is appearing before B, because if you take from left to right, this is the um, ranking condition you can think of. This is the leftmost element in the array, or the leftmost side, the whatever element is present is treated as he has got more score, so you can think of that way. So 1 beats B. In this case 1 comma 2 pair, 1 appears before, so 1 beats B. So what they're saying is, for every pair A comma B, A should beat B at least one time. Even in this case also it is beating 1 comma 2, 1 is earlier than B, so in this also it is beating, but it should beat at least one time, that they're saying. So in order to do that, you will be doing m number of permutations which lies from 1 to n, 1 to 10, not 10 n. So basically what they're saying is that this is one permutation, this is two permutations. So in that way you'll have to at max you'll have to take 10 permutations, and minimum time you'll have to take one permutation in order to find that this condition for every pair a comma b, a beats b, that they're saying. So I'll be explaining you, don't worry. This is in question, like for this example also they have tricked you guys, so it is not that hard. So n is 3. So in exam output they're displayed as 6. They have given, because m is number of permutations, it is from 1 to 10, so 6 lies in the range, that's why they have taken all the uh, permutations. So 1 2 3 is there. Now you can start this 3 2. Okay, now let's say 2 are different. 2 1 3, 2 is there, 3 1 2, 3 you take, and 3 2 1. So this all 6 permutations are there, and if you try to make pairs, it will be 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, this pair in which a beats every player. This is the pair in which 2 beats every other player, and this is the pair in which 3 beats every other pair. So now if you try to take 1 comma 2, see, it is here, 1 appears before 2, so 1 is winning. This is one time at least, so that is good. In this case also it is winning, but this is not required, I'll be telling you why. And if you see 2 comma 1, so this one you take, so 2 is before 1, so obviously 2 is winning at least one time. And let's take this pair now. I have taken this one, I have taken this one. Let's take this pair 1 comma 3. So in this case only 1 beats 3, so this is also satisfied. Let's take 2 comma 3. So in this case only, if you see 2 comma 3 satisfied. Let's take 3 comma 1. Now if you want to take 3 comma 1, I'll be taking, sorry, this one, not this. For 2 comma 1 I had taken this one, so this one also holds good, but this one also holds good. So the main crux of the problem is that I'll be telling you. So now you'll find 3 comma 1, so 3 beats 1 in this permutation, and 3 beats 2 in this permutation. So if you see, all these pairs can be satisfied by using only 2 permutation. One is that it is from 1 to 3, which is in increasing order, 1 to n, and the other permutation is in decreasing order, 3 to 1, right? From n to 1 it is in decreasing order. So if you try to display these two, and before displaying these two permutations you will have to display the m also. M is basically 2 in this case, so you'll have to display 2, and these two permutation our case is, this problem will be solved. So they have given these 6 permutations, this extra permutation basically to trick you guys. So these 4 they are not needed. Now let me take one more example and explain you, wherein n let me take as 4. Now let's take n is equal to 4. So 1 2 3 4 is one permutation, 4 3 2 1 is other permutation. If you display this two, our answer will be valid, but let me prove you how it will be valid. Now I'll be taking 1 and 2, like 1 beats player 1, all other players, 1 comma 4. So let me take now 2 beats all other player. Let me take 3, it beats all other player. Let me take 4 beats all other player. So if you try to find now 1 comma 2, we have here 1 comma 2, 1 appears before 2, which means this is satisfied. 1 comma 3, if you see, this is in this case. 1 comma 4, if you see, since 1 is lesser than 4, so in sorted array you will find everything. So this is there. Now 2 comma 1, 2 is greater than 1, so you'll be finding in this one, descending order array. So this is ascending order array, this is descending order array. So 2 is greater than 1, so you'll be finding this. 2 is lesser than 3, you'll be finding this. All other satisfying. 2 4, this is also satisfying. This means is that 2 beats 4. 2 beats 4, and how 2 beats 4? 2 should appear before 4 in the permutation, so it is appearing before 4. when taken from left to right. So yeah, we have in this 3 1, if you take here it is 3 1, 3 2 if you want to take here it is 3 4, it will be, because since it is increasing it will be here, 4 1 decreasing, so it is here, 4 2 again decreasing, it will be here, 4 3 again decreasing, it will be here. So basically these two arrays if you display, and before displaying this number of arrays are 2, so if you display 2 and then these two permutations, so our problem will be solved. So yeah, let's try to display first 2, because m is 2. Now I'll be running a loop from I is equal to 1 to n, and I'll be displaying I with spaces. When I come out of the for loop, I'll be displaying end l, because in next turn I'll be displaying the uh, decreasing order permutation greater than 0 I minus minus, because when I is equal to 0 it will not be running, so we'll have to display the permutation from 1 to n only, that's why. So yeah, this is it, and let's try to run the code. Yeah, it is running fine. Let's try to submit the code.